Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the volume climax indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to our chart. Okay, so here we go, indicator successfully added to the chart. Now one thing you're going to notice is that the indicator actually signifies areas where there could be a possible reversal. Okay, now let's just get to the settings. The indicator helps to identify probable oversold or overbought territory. Okay, when you head on to the settings, you will notice that the indicator, the color of the indicator can be changed for the overbought and for the oversold. Okay, so let's assume that we are using red for oversold, and then maybe blue for overbought. So okay, I think I'm gonna change that because our candles are already red and green, so I'm gonna change the red to a different color. Let's just use purple for example. All right, so you will notice that here the indicator is telling us the price is likely oversold. All right, and then here it's telling us that price is overbought. You can see here again it's telling us oversold. All right, so you can actually decide to change the color or you can just leave it at the default, right? But if you want to differentiate between the oversold and overbought, then you can actually make the colors different. So basically this is it. This indicator actually helps us to identify possible overbought and oversold levels. The name is volume climax indicator, right? So it shows some level of possible climax in the volume in a particular direction, I guess, right? So if you are a fan of overbought and oversold indicators, then this indicator can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. This is not an oscillator that appears in a separate window. This indicator prints the signals directly on your candlesticks. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.